my name is Carla Calderon. In this video I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin Jello. Continue to watch the video to find out how. These are the ingredients that you need. You can also find the recipe on the description of this video. Let's begin by mixing 5 packets of unflavored gelatin in 1 cup of milk. Make sure that you mix it very well and set it aside since we will be using it towards the end. I'm now going to use the spray and a paper towel to grease my mold. Once I'm done, I'm going to put the mold in the freezer. Let's add all the ingredients into the blender, starting with the evaporated milk, condensed milk, 1 can of pumpkin pie mix, which it already contains sugar and is 30 ounces, 1 bar of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, 2 cups of milk, and now let's blend it all together. Going back to the cup of milk with the unflavored gelatin, as you can see, it is a solid, and now we need to turn it back into a liquid. So let's put it in the microwave for 40 seconds. Once it's a liquid, blend it with all the other ingredients. We are ready to pour our mixture into our mold. Put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight, which is what I tend to do. Here we are, it's the next day, and let's get our Jello out of the mold. Look how pretty it looks. Let's take a piece of it. It smells really good. Alright guys, this is my favorite part. Let's taste it. I hope you guys like this recipe and that you try it at home, and also don't forget to let me know if you do in the comments down below, and if you have any recommendations on other recipes that you would like to see, then please let me know in the comments down below as well. Don't forget to please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.